Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can apply a black and white filter to your video clips in the Shotcut video editor, be it on your PC or laptop. It is mind-blowingly simple and you absolutely don't need any advanced video editing skills whatsoever to do this. So guys, all you need to do is simply add the video clips to your timeline here at the bottom in your video project on Shotcut. And after that, left click on the video clip you would like to edit and customize. So let me go with the second video clip here of our video project. And after that, head over to the filter section here to the left and click on that plus icon here. And here in the search bar, search for a filter called saturation. So let me do that really quickly. The filter we are looking for is called hue, lightness and saturation. That one here, sorry. So you may also bookmark it by clicking on that button here to the left. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply apply it by left clicking on it. And in the last step, simply play around with the setups here. For instance, if you move that slider here to the left on saturation, the black and white filter will be applied. So if I set a saturation of 0%, for instance, the black and white filter will look like that. Now, if you'd like to play around with the lightness, for instance, and make it a bit brighter or darker, simply move that slider here in the lightness setup to make the black and white filter darker or lighter or brighter, just like that. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.